Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a contact on Pipedrive. All right. You're going to want to go to contacts right here in the left panel. All right. Click on it. As you can see here, we have the list of contacts. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and review a particular contact that you wanted to delete. Now, the way to do that is just hover right here on the name itself, and you'll have the email, contact number, and the company or organization. If you want to further investigate, just go ahead and click on the name itself, and it will load its data. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and easily delete the user from here in this page. Just click on it. All right. If not, if you are in this page, you can go ahead and click on this three dots, which says action. Click on it and hit on delete. All right. For example, this one, I'm going to hit on delete and there will be a pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? All notes, files, documents, and invoices on this contact person are deleted as well. Other linked items may remain, but without a linked person. And as you can see here, you can restore deleted people from the restore data page within 30 days. If you want to see it, here's what it looks like. All right. You can see the list of people that has been deleted within the 30 days range. Now going back, I'm going to delete one right here, hit on delete, wait for it. As you can see, one has been removed. And again, showing you the example in this page, click on the three dots and hit on delete. Again, delete. And it says here, this person will be deleted permanently soon in May 29, which is exactly 30 days from now. If needed, you can restore the contact until then. All right. Again, to check the archive, go ahead over to contacts. And once you're in here, just try to delete a user right here and click on restore data. And here you have the list. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.